Mastfuyi Fy123. It is a Catiii 600V 5999 count multimeter. It uses battery fee of AAA 1.5V. Size is 162 x 80 x 24 mm. It weighs 222 grams. It not included battery. Test pan is a Catiii 600V 10 PVC cable, 4 mm plug, 79 cm long. DC watt is a 0.5V to 600V. AC watt is a 1V to 600V. Resistor is a 0.1 ohm to 10 mega ohm. Continuity mix is a 100 ohm. When lesser than 50 ohm, maybe be sound on. Frequency reading is 40 to 1 kHz. Temperature is 0 degree to 70 degrees C. Capacitor is 0.5 microfarad to 6 K microfarad. DCmA is 0.5 milliamp to 500 milliamp. ACmA is 0.5 milliamp to 500 milliamp. Die output voltage is 2.6V, 1 milliamp. Let's see the meter. And VP of AAA battery and a meter. And come with a user menu and the password. Okay, let's see the user menu first. The user menu is Chinese, no any other. Okay, let's see the meter. The meter in the right side, the first one is the power on off switch. Long part is the power on. Let's see again. That is the power on. And another switch is the next switch is a select function. You can select the function. And the next one is the hold key. That is the hold key. But once is a hold key. Hold the data. But again is a disappear. And long part of this switch is for the backlight, the floodlight. Sorry, long part this. That is the variable flashlight. Long part again close off. And the downside is NCV and the light check. Part once is NCV. Part again is light part check function. And they have two free of the input jack. Middle is the common, and the right side is hertz, continuity, and warp input jack. And the left side is milliamp, capacitor, and die test, and the continuity part in this. Okay. Let's try the meter. DC voltage test. 2.5 watt. It shows 2.494. 5 watt. It shows 4.98 watt. 7.5 watt. It shows 7.5 watt. 10 watt. It shows 9.98 watt. Next test. Normal AC test. It shows 224 now. And full is 223.4 or 5. Okay, next test. This is a smart meter. It can auto check AC watt, DC watt, and the resistor. Now check the resistor first. It shows 25 ohm and DC watt. It shows 8.94 watt and AC watt 224.4 watt. Okay, next test. Capacitor test. It must use this key select to the capacity function, and then you can plug off this in capacity function test. This way is for capacity function test. Okay, let's test the capacitor. Now it's 10. It shows 10.1. Now it's 1K μF. Let's see. Decharge it first. It shows 1031 microfarad. Okay. Next. The bigger one. Bigger one is 2200 microfarad. Discharge it first. It's so 2011 microfarad. A little under. Okay, next test. Resistor test. Let's test the weapons of the weapons resistor first. It's so 4934 it a little bit under the reading. And let's see the foot. The reading is 5.003 km. Let's see the normal test. And this meter in testing only in this jet. Only in this jet. The other one is a continuity. Let's see the meter, the test pen. The test pen is 0. Let's test the 1 ohm. It's so 1.1 ohm. 10 ohm. It's so 10.3 ohm. 20.03 K. It near the reading 20.25 K ohm. 2 met. It's so 2.035 met. And 5 met. It's so 4.934 met. 10.5 met. It's not so because this meter mix is 10 mega ohm. Okay, next test. Continuity test. And this meter must be put the parts in the left side for the continuity measure, and then put the select key to the continuity function. Now capacitor. Now it's in the capacity or die. Okay, let's test the test tip first. If far that no response, and contact may be about 88 dB. 1, 2, 1, 2. It use 1 second for contact and maybe have a 0 display. Okay, next test. Manual resistor mode test. It must put in the left side and press the select key to the die mode and continuity mode for the manual mode resistance test. And now testing this meter. So the test lead is 0.00 watt. And let's see. 1 ohm, it shows 0.00 watt. 10 ohm, it shows 0.002 watt. It cannot be tested on the manual mode of the resistor in this multimeter. And die function test and the NCV test. It shows 0.472 or 1 watt of the die. It's okay. And see the die output voltage. The die output voltage is 2.497 Phi. And let's see the meter light on the LED. Use the die mode. You can light up the red, yellow, green, very dim, blue, also okay, dim, and the white. The white is okay but very dim. See again. Okay. And take the NCV. It about 3 cm, maybe have send the 1. And near is also about 2. And yellow bar come out. And yellow and LED come out. And mix is 3. They have a red color and the red LED come out. Okay. Let you this meter have a live check function. Now it's in live check. Let you the meter wet test it for testing the hot wire. But test it must be turned to the another side, in the right side. Let's see. You can send the live. If in the left side that cannot function, let's see the bed. It also okay. Check the live part. F, no. Neutral, no. Okay. Let's see the meter for sensing the cable, the NCV. Sorry. You must turn to the NCV function first. Now it's NCV. It about 2 cm, maybe send 2 green LED come out and 1 bar come out. Knee is 2. And when sensing the hot wire, there may be 3 for touching. And if this meter turn to the live function, there must be no any function of the testing the NCV. No. Okay, next test. Current test. It must be put on the left side and select the function to the current test of this and show the milliamp. And so now testing the reference milliamp of this meter. It shows 20.1 milliamp. And let's see the fruit. Fruit is 20.03 milliamp. Okay, let's see the bigger current. And now see the fruit for the first time. It shows 0.4991 amp. And see this meter. This meter mix is 500 milliamp, 0.5 amp. Now see the reading. It overload 500.019 amp, milliamp. Sorry. Next test. And high DC voltage test. Now 100 watt. It shows 110.6. Near the full reading. 250. And if this meter in normal mode, it shows the reading 274.3. It need a full reading. And now see the 500. It shows 522.3. It need a full reading. Now see the mix. 1000 watt. This meter mix is 600. Don't do this. And it show overload of the meter, and no any warning sign come out. Okay, next test. Flashlight and the HOLTEK test. For the meter in the testing, the data may be whole, but the switch of this switch. One part is the whole the data. Now have a whole logo come out, and the data now holding. And plus again this switch maybe DCmA. And then a long part of this one may be the flashlight. Come on. Now is have a green come out, and the lamp maybe come on. Now see, it verify of meter have a white light come out, and a green LED, so now it's on. Okay, next test. Auto power off test. And this meter when not used in 5 minutes may be auto power off. And let's test it. And now video speed up now. Okay, it might be a little more 5 minutes. And this meter mini is 31 Hz. ISO 50.9 Hz. And this meter mix is 999 Hz. Temperature test. This meter show 28 and foot is 26.8 degrees C. And the unity is about 27.7. Okay, next test. Power consumption test. We see the mix drawing power for this meter. When open, mix draw current is 0.538 amp. And normal is 0.067 amp. And let's see the meter in open the backlight. We patch this with. It draws 0.1147 amp. Okay, next test. And the battery low test. And now supply is 4.5 watt. And the reference voltage is 1 watt. It shows 0.995 to 9. Okay. Let's lower down the voltage. Now 4.4 watt. Four point three. 4.1. 4 watt. 3.9. 3.8. 3.7. 3.6. It displays the battery logo come out. Okay, next test. And now 3.6 watt. Incoming low down. 3.5. 4. 3. 2. It's hard to see. 1. 3. 2.9. 2.8. 2.5. It hard to see the digit. Okay. Next test. Meter T down. It comes with a soft K and a meter. In the back side have a 6 screw, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 before I open it. And then you have a DC supply And the back case, no any shielding. There is the saw keypad. Okay, let's see the meter. Okay, let's open it. They come with, there is another side. They have some LED inside this one. And they have a cord of the backlight. I careful put out this one. Okay, it fully come out. There is the skin cover. And there is the inside part. The front. And try to take out the LCD. It covers very well of this meter. It really fit like I open it. And when I remove the weapon out, it can let out the backlight. Now move out the backlight. Let you to see. That is the backlight. It have a 2 cord cable come out. There is the LCD skin. They have some color coding in the downside. Okay, now fully T down and see again the meter. Okay. NCV test. It must put this switch for the NCV. Now is NCV. It about 3 cm have 1. And near is have 2. And also have a yellow light come out in the path.